अंशुमान, मतलब ये क्या बढ़ा रहे हो आप लोगों को? मतलब पिछले फिल्म में आप तो बहुत सीधे साधे भोले भाले एक मेंटोर के रूप में दिखे थे. That transition from being that guy to this absolute chore that you're playing in this one. Tell us about this transition.
नहीं, उसमें इतनी ज़्यादा सच्चाई और इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छाई थी कि अंदर ना वो ऐसा भाव बस गया था कि इतना सीधा तो मैं हूँ नहीं, दुनिया बना दे रही है तो मैं क्या करूँ. तो वो बुरापन जो है, जो वो पागलपन है, वो जो क्रेजीनेस है, इस कैरेक्टर में आके थोड़ी सेटिस्फेक्शन से उनको मिल रही है कि वहाँ से सीधे इस मतलब नॉर्थ पोल से साउथ पोल जाने का मजा आ है. बस यार.
बिल्कुल बातचीत नहीं हुई चोपड़ा साहब से. थोड़ा तो ग्रे कर दो यार. इतना सीधा साधा भोला भाला, इतना अच्छा.
नहीं, उस दिशा में तो नहीं. उनसे सवाल करना मुश्किल है. मतलब वो इतने सीनियर मोस्ट है और इतना ज़्यादा वो इन्वेस्ट होते हैं किसी भी स्क्रिप्ट में, तो उनसे इन चीज़ों पे सवाल करना ही बेवकूफ़ी होती. वहाँ कोई सवाल नहीं किया. सारे सवाल मैंने अजय सर को किया. उनको परेशान तबाह हर तरीके से मैंने किया है यहाँ पे इस चीज़ पे. और जिस तरीके की स्क्रिप्ट थी वो बनता था ये चीज़ करना, क्योंकि जिस तरीके का पागलपन है पूरे स्क्रिप्ट में, आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड स्क्रिप्ट एंड आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कैरेक्टर्स एंड आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कैमेड्री बनी हमारी, तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रहा.
यहाँ स्कोप मिला इम्प्रूव करने के लिए
बहुत ज़्यादा. मतलब यहाँ पे इम्प्रूव के साथ ही बहुत कुछ अचीव हुआ है. ये चीज़ तो मैं बोलूँगा कि जो लिबर्टी हमें मिली, जो फ्रीडम हमें मिली, उसका कहीं ना कहीं अगर जो ट्रेलर में कहीं से भी अगर जो आपको इंट्रीग कर रही है, तो वो ये रीज़न उसका एक बहुत बड़ा रहा कि आप फ्री होके थे वहाँ पे. मतलब बाउंडेशन नहीं थी कि आप अगर जो ज़्यादा फैलोगे तो आपको आगे बता दिया जाएगा कि ज़्यादा फैल रहे हैं. मोस्टली ऐसा होता नहीं था. फैलो जितना फैल सकते हो. फिर वो जानते हैं डायरेक्टर के, तो एडिट पॉइंट भी होता है कि कहाँ पे कट करना नहीं करना. जैसे हमारा एक सीन था, तो सीन में जितनी बातें लिखी हुई थी उससे कहीं आगे हम लोग निकल चुके थे. लेकिन वो पता था कि वो मतलब जैसे ही कट हुआ और जिस तरीके से पब्लिक ने अपने लाफ्टर रोक के रखे हुए थे, वो इंटरेस्टिंग था हमारे लिए. तो आप वो पता है उनको कि कहाँ पे कट करना है. देन ये इन सेकेंड एक रीटेक में फिर वो हुआ कि नहीं, ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हटा सकते हैं हम, बाकी तो बेहतरीन जा रहा है. तो जो फ्रीडम है आपको एक्सप्लोर करने का मौका देता है, और कॉमेडी के साथ वो मुझे लगता है बहुत ही रीजनेबल चीज़ है कि वो मिलनी चाहिए.
निजी जिंदगी में कौन से किरदार के साथ ज़्यादा आप ताल्लुकात रखते हैं? वो वाला 12th फेल वाला या ये वाला, और इन बिटवीन?
देखिए, बचपन में मैं ये किरदार था. कहीं ना कहीं जब आप अपनी लाइफ की सीरियसनेस लाते हैं, पढ़ाई ऐसी चीज़ थी जिसमें बहुत ख़राब था मैं, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं वो सीरियसनेस वहाँ नेचुरली आ जाती है. जब टेंशन होता है तो आप जो सीरियस हो जाते हो. तो पढ़ाई के साथ जो जुड़ी हुई चीज़ें हैं उसमें मैं वैसा हूँ. जहाँ ये चोरी करने वाली चीज़ है इसमें मैं ऐसा हूँ.
अंशुमान, ये क्या दर्शाता है, ये जो सैंडविच, ये जो इक्वेशन है पूरा, इस ज़माने के बारे में, शायद हमारी बदलती हुई फितरत के बारे में, या लव इक्वेशन के बारे में, ये पूरा क्या दर्शाता है? आई मीन, it is not quite a shocker for, say, perhaps for metro people, but for tier 2 and tier 3, it's still a surprise.
I don't think so. No. I completely disagree with that thing.
Wow.
In a smaller town, this is, very unanimous thing that I point out a finger on a girl, वो तेरी भाभी, and the another guy is pointing out in the same way, वो तेरी भाभी, and the fight in street fights and the competition is way ahead of, In metros, it is very clear that yes, metros we have better understanding about that thing, that we should not go and fight for that thing in bad way or something, in challenging way. They understand that thing ki the girl is have their opinion about that thing. Girl has her own opinion about that thing, and she will choose whatever she has to choose. We do not have to play or fight for that thing. In a smaller town, people used to fight that thing, and it is happening in our industry, in cinema, in literature, everywhere you see that thing happening. So I don't think so कि सेकेंड टाइड में ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन है. मुझे लगता है शहर के लोगों के लिए ऐसा होगा कि ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं ये लोग. छोटे गांव में, छोटे शहर में तो ये तो होता रहता है, अभी भी होता रहता है.
Correct.
The world is, I mean, I've been married for 15 years, I don't know this world, but I have friends. Now the whole world is on Hinge, Bumble, swipe right, swipe left. I think the world has changed, so I think things like these happen very, very... I think the people have way more open conversations in relationships, saying, and it's not even about relationships. I think there are different ways at which single people meet each other right now. So this is not something very uncommon. It's a plot to a story, which is what makes the 3 robbers in it. But otherwise, I don't think it's very uncommon.
Nidhi, why should boys have all the fun? You're sandwiched beautifully between these two dapper, deliciously good-looking guys. What was it like, the confusion? What happens is that when you have, say, 2 characters which are as opposite as chalk is from cheese, then as a performer, how do you tilt? How do you strike that perfect balance, even as a performer?
Firstly, that's a very nice question.
Thank you.
It's a very nice question.
Well done.
Yeah.
Thank you. सीखा आपसे.
सर थोड़ी बड़ा चुना दिया आपने यार, तो ये तो सोचेंगे क्या करना? Basically, how are your scenes with him and how are your scenes with me? I think about it that.
Honestly speaking, initially, when I started my scenes with him actually, and I was supposed to start with him. So first of all, only as soon as I walked in, I was thrown off. I was like, oh no, what's happening here? Then the person who was supposed to play Tariq changed. He walked in, and I was like, I don't know what's going to. There was so much of I had to submit, really like kind of give in. I couldn't possibly control anything and navigate. I really had to give in to her quirks, and it did make me very uncomfortable because she is a character that unnerves you. She won't just unnerve you, she was unnerving me also. Because she's very unpredictable. And she'll panic you a little bit. She'll make you slightly anxious. She will throw challenge at you that you don't expect. And she's got these little quirks about her. And why she's like this, she's got trust issues. He's saying something. She's like, no, you're not like that. So she's quite toxic. He's saying something. He's like, no. So she's kind of, she's kind of testing both of them. But actually the problem is with her. Like, she has trust issues. Why is she like this? As Ajay told me, you have to find your why. You just have to be her. We don't have the time to say why, but she is this way.
Correct.
And this is how you come, and this is how you spin both of them around. So she kind of comes and creates the chaos. She's the catalyst to the chaos.
Queen. I actually like one thing about her, which was that when I was doing some scenes with her, and I saw what she was doing with him as well. So, she's also from a small town in the show. And when she's, and she's not, her character doesn't have the best fluent language in terms of like my French speaking bit and all. But she was matching up and she was trying to suck this character of mine in by doing the best at what she could. And then when she'd go to him, she'd flip over on the other side and completely talk to him in a shairana andaz and all of that. So it was nice to see her do both sides of that. I think I enjoyed watching that switch on her.